Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get yourself set up in just 3 easy steps with arguably one of the best Forex and stock, commodities, options, everything broker in the industry at the moment. Now, little sneak peek, they've just been sponsored with the Argentine Football Association. But before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we have it, guys. Of course, it is PU Prime. Okay, so PU Prime, like I said, have just been the regional sponsor of Argentine Football Association. So it's a world-class trading experience backed by trust and excellence. Now, before I show you how to sign up, I just want to show you one of the biggest things that I've seen for the more experienced but also beginner traders as well is their spreads. Okay, so with the spreads, you can see here gold has a tiny 0.9 spread. Okay, you won't. I don't think you'll see that anywhere, probably anywhere else in the markets. I've seen the spreads as high as 25, 15, 10. Now, the reason for having a good spread is because this is where you go into the market. So if you were to buy here, if you've got a really bad spread, you'd actually buy up here. So you'd be in a loss to start with. Okay, with a small spread, you're getting as close to that entry button as possible. Not only that, they have multiple different apps. There's PU Prime app, MetaTrader 5 and 4, and also WebTrader. They are high on security and they have a intensive learning portfolio program. Okay, so if I were to click on learn, and then what you want to do is come over to the education section. Okay, so these are for your beginners. Trading education, you have the academy, the quiz, and a webinar. If you click into the academy, you will then be sent over to here. What it does is it gives you how-to documents. It gives you what is technical analysis, copy trading, beginner, immediate, and also advanced. Now, I've been a trader for over 3 years now, and I still come into here just to see and just to keep the knowledge ticking over, because obviously you are always learning in this world. So it's always good to keep coming in, even doing a trading quiz every now and then, because let's be honest, keeping your knowledge up to date is exactly how you become very profitable in this industry. Okay, so it's nice and easy to sign up. You simply click on the sign up button. That's step 1. Step 2, fill out all those details. Once you've filled that in, step 3 is you're ready to fund. Once it says here, you can register. So like I said, you register, that's step 1. Sign up for PU Prime live account with their hassle-free process. Step 2 is fund that account. You can fund your account with a wide range of channels and accepted currencies. And then step 3 is literally start trading. Now, they also have that copy trading feature as well. So if you do have some money sat there and you just want to learn at the moment, you can simply come in and copy some of the best traders in the industry. Now, obviously, if we leave our savings in the bank, you're going to be getting 1-2% if you're lucky a year. With this, there are some traders that are making 15 to 20% per month. Now, obviously, there are risks involved, but there are also history backed massively that will support the fact that this is a lot better option. And if you're a beginner, you can go in, put $100 in, let someone else trade it for you, and then go through the academy and learn that way. That way you are learning and earning at the same time. But there we have it, guys. That was PU Prime and their 3-step process. Nice and simple for beginners and advanced traders as well. That was step 1 was register. Step 2 was fund your account. Step 3 is simple as start trading, whether it's copy trading or manual trading if you're a more experienced trader. But thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.